Hello YouTube, welcome to summer. It is a hot one already. Alright, so went to the junkyard and I found racks. I've got two. I've got one short one back there and then I got this one. I'm not sure where I want to put the short one yet, but I do want to put the long one right here. Now what I noticed is that the spacing on these does not match the spacing on the windows, which is fine. What I'm going to do is these pieces come off very easily. So I'm going to pull them off one at a time and screw them into the wall, and then I can hang this guy up. And I already checked the speaker will clear there. But then once I get it bolted up, then I can put screws in the ceiling. So that's how that goes so far. More to come. Alright, it is hot out here, but I got one side up. Unfortunately, these don't line up with the roof bows, which kind of sucks, because I think on the regular birds, they go into roof bows. But that's okay. I mean, they're pretty sturdy. It's not like we're going to be putting, 200 pounds in these things, all in one spot. But, yeah. So what I did is I took these, we can go back here and look at this other one. So, these pieces right here, they come off, as you can see. And so I put the front and the back one on the wall right above the, above where where I had this sitting on the seats. And then afterwards I took this tall mirror box right here and set it like this and set the rack on it. And I was able to lift the rack up high enough to put the screw back through on both sides. And then once I did that, then I just attached one of these legs to the ceiling. You can see my mess up there. And then I started bolting these guys in. So they're not perfect, but they certainly look really cool. And yeah, it really transforms the look of this bus. The only thing that's crazy is they're black instead of tan. I can always take them down and paint them if I wanted to. I don't know if I do, though. They kind of look neat. The red's really cool to go along with the seats. So next is, what are we going to do with the short one? Do we want to put it behind this, further back, or do we want to put it somewhere up front? It's only 3 rows. Barely 3 rows. So, you guys tell me, where do you think it would look cool to have this guy? Do we want him on the front of the driver's side, or do we want him on the passenger side further back? Anyway, more to come.